Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to make an educational video with InShot by changing your background, adding content, and layouts for a seamless teaching experience. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Tip 1. Change your background. Import your background on InShot. Tap PIP. Import your video. Press autofill to fit to screen. Tap cutout to remove the background. And you've successfully changed your background. Tip 2. Add overlay over teaching material. After importing your teaching material, tap PIP, import your video, press autofill to fit to screen, and drag it to your desired position. Alternatively, after importing your video in PIP, tap Mask, and play around with various mask shapes that best suit your teaching style. Have you ever made an educational video? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.